Hit your head?
No, I don't think it's USB. Oh wait. Jake, wait.
I don't do it right now.
Huh? I'm testing something. Hey Michael,
What up?
what you doing?
Yeah, I fucked around once.
Having trouble, Michael?
Alright, let's try it.
I'm recording our PS3 fail. What? It turned on.
You hit the power button.
He turned it on. Now, why can't there be a built-in controller on the PS? Wait, what if you take out? Do you have it plugged up to the internet?
What?
How do you? It's like, what if you make it not on the internet? Won't it like not try to update? Right?
I've already downloaded.
What?
He's like.
Oh, beast! No way!
Hey.
No way!
No.
No way!
Who called the keyboard?
Let's
What's
go.
up?
Ah, shit.
Can't even see Namen on the video. It's so black.
Fuck you. I don't need a goddamn spotlight.
Let's go.
Nominated with the clutch.
Best call ever. Now we get to watch How to Teach a
Yeah,
Dragon.
that's true, I guess. Yeah.
What's the movie called?
How to Train Your Dragon.
How to Train a Dragon?
How to Train Your Dragon, bro.
No, Michael's How to Train Puff.